In the heart of the Middle East lies a land of mystery and contrast, Iran. A country often remembered for its history and culture, yet beyond that lies a world of breathtaking natural beauty, diverse, powerful, and deeply captivating. If you could look at this land from above, it would seem like nature itself painted a vast and intricate canvas, each region telling a different story, each landscape revealing a new emotion. To the north, the land rises dramatically into towering peaks, the Alborz Mountains. Covered in snow during winter, these mountains stand like a silent guardian over the country. Their white peaks touch the clouds, creating a scene that feels almost unreal. In the colder months, the region transforms into a paradise for winter sports, while at other times it offers peace, silence, and a deep connection with nature. But these mountains are more than just beautiful. They play a vital role in shaping the climate, feeding rivers, and sustaining life across the land. Descending from the mountains, we enter a world of endless green, the ancient Hyrcanian Forests. These forests have existed for millions of years, making them one of the oldest living ecosystems on Earth. Here, sunlight struggles to reach the forest floor, filtered gently through thick layers of leaves. The air feels alive with the sounds of birds and rustling trees. Walking through these forests feels like stepping into another time, when nature remains untouched and every corner whispers a story of the past. Yet Iran is also a land of extremes. Travel southeast, and the green fades into an endless sea of sand. The Dasht-e Lut. Known as one of the hottest places on Earth, this desert challenges the limits of life itself. Temperatures soar, and the environment becomes harsh and unforgiving. And yet, there is a strange beauty here. The wind-carved sand dunes and unique rock formations create landscapes that look almost alien. In this vast silence, you don't just see nature, you feel its raw, powerful presence. From the heat of the desert, we move toward the calming embrace of water, along the shores of the Persian Gulf. Here, the rhythm of life slows down. The waves gently touch the shore, and as the sun begins to set, the sky transforms into shades of gold, orange, and deep red. It is a moment of peace, where the world feels still and time seems to pause. Beyond these grand landscapes, Iran's natural beauty also lives in its villages and seasons. In spring, the land awakens with color. Fields and gardens bloom with flowers, especially roses, filling the air with fragrance. This is the season of renewal, when nature celebrates life in its most delicate and beautiful form. The famous rose gardens not only offer stunning visuals, but also produce traditional rose water, a symbol of culture and nature blending together. And when night falls, the sky above Iran becomes a vast ocean of stars. Far from the noise of cities, in the deserts or mountains, the night reveals its true beauty. Looking up, you can see countless stars shining brightly, creating a sense of wonder and connection to the universe. In those quiet moments, it feels as if you are no longer just on Earth, but part of something much greater. Iran is not just a country. It is a collection of natural stories. Stories of snow and stone, of forests and fire, of silence and life. Every region, every landscape offers a new perspective, a new feeling. It reminds us that nature is never one-dimensional. It is constantly changing, constantly evolving, yet always beautiful in its own way. And perhaps, in exploring such places, we begin to understand something deeper. Not just about the world, but about ourselves.